Now Revit is a very important software which helps us in achieving the BIM process. I would like to demonstrate how do we start a new project file in Revit and what is the importance of project templates. Let's get started. I open the Revit user interface. The big R over here is called as the application menu. Over here we have the project area and below this are the families. The 4 recently opened projects are listed over here on the home screen. We can open a new project directly from here. This takes me to the default template file which is loaded into the software. If you click on this, so this is what we see on our screen. This is called as a project template. What is a project template? These are basically project standards. Over here we have the views under the project browser, the floor plans. In the default template we have only 2 levels, level 1, level 2 and site. We have the ceiling plans, the elevations, the legend, the schedules, the sheets, the families, groups, etc. Either we can use the existing template which comes with the software, or we can customize it depending upon our office requirements. All template files in Revit have an extension .rte, whereas project files in Revit have an extension .rvt. Open. What are the other settings which we can do before starting a project? If you click on the Manage tab, there is something called Project Information. If I click on Project Information, these are the global settings for my project. That means whatever I do in this project, this information will get attached in all the sheets. We can write here the organization name, Capricorn Technologies. We can give the name of the building. For example, it's a residential building. If we want to perform energy analysis, then we can also do the energy settings from here. The project status, we can say, is it the initial stage, the design development stage, the construction stage, whatever. We can write here the name of the client, and project address we can fill it over here. For example, S17 local shopping center, Green Park. You can give the name of the project here and the project number and click OK. Now supposing we want to create our own project template, how to go about it? Project template basically incorporates your views and sheets, schedules, legends, notes and specifications, wall types, model families, details, annotation, dimension styles, annotation symbols, etc. Let us go back to the Revit user interface. I want to open a new project and create a template file from that. I click on the application menu, say new project. For example, I want to create a metric template. I say default metric, OK. After this, we open an existing project. See, this is a residential project which we have already done in our organization. Supposing we want to copy the walls, floor types, the railing types and the other model families which we have used here in our new project template, then how can we do that? Go back to the project file. In the Manage tab, click on Transfer Project Standards. Then it will ask you the standards from which project you want to copy. Click on the project and do check none. I want to copy the wall types. What more do I want in my template? We can have the railing types, the ramp types. Maybe I want to use the same floor types in my new project template. Line patterns, line styles, line weights, maybe the same materials. Okay. If I click on the wall option now and go to the properties palette, see, here is a list of all the wall types which I want to be a part of my project template. After putting all this information into the template, you need to save this project as a template file. And how do we do that? We go to save as and we have an option of template. I give a name to my template file. I want to save it on desktop. I say my template file. So next time when I want to start a new project using my template file, I simply have to click on new project, browse, go to the desktop and choose my template file, open, OK. It gives me all the settings which I require as a office standard. So in this way we can create our own project templates so that we don't need to do the settings again and again.